Hi everyone, it's Mari here for LDRS Creative. I'm going to show you how I use this chained edge die today from LDRS. This is a very unique die and it creates a very interesting pattern and texture on your cardstock. So I cut an A2 size card base with a side fold and I lined up that die just on the fold of the paper, and it die cuts out this really cool design. And you just take these pieces here that are released from the die, these half circle frame pieces, and you just fold them back on the score line that the die creates. Very cool. And the die releases one of those half circles completely. And so you just take that half circle piece and you add a little bit of liquid adhesive to the top right along the embossed line. So the die embosses a line exactly where you have to glue this piece. So you just line up the ends of this half circle with the lines that are embossed on the paper. And that's it. Voila. You end up with this really, really cool piece that's ready to go for your card base. So once you lay it out flat, you can see these pieces kind of sitting upwards. Now this is the amazing 3D embossing folder called Perfect Petals. It is stunning. It creates the most gorgeous texture on your project, whether you want to use the embossed or the debossed side. It is absolutely stunning, and there's nothing to me that's more beautiful than a piece of white cardstock with this embossing. Gorgeous. Now, if you want, you can also add some color to that. I'm going to take some purple ink and a blending brush and blend that ink onto that embossed paper. And you can see that it changes the look of it again, so that this is one technique that you can use with your 3D embossed paper. You can use any ink that you have in your stash, any color that you love. And so if you have those beautiful LDRS hybrid inks, I would definitely be using those. Now this is a gold ink. This one happens to be from Lisa Horton. It's Cloud 9 solid gold ink. And I'm just taking it and rubbing it over just really gently. I'm not putting much pressure on, so that it really only adds the gold to the top of that embossing, so the top layer. I'll take my heat tool and dry that. It doesn't take long for this ink to dry. And now I'm going to add that onto my card front, just to add that little bit of extra texture and color while we still have that gorgeous chained edge die effect on the side. So I think that's a really pretty combo. Now I'm going to be using the Simply Words die set from LDRS. This is a set of 4 different words. The word thanks is what I'm going with here for my project, and I've die cut that twice from white cardstock and once from a gold matte cardstock. I'm going to just take my Misty Glue Press and I'm going to adhere these 3 layers together, of course putting that gold layer on top, and that's just going to look really stunning with that gold ink that's on the embossing on my background. Now I'm going to take the shadow layer, which is wonderful that this die set has the words and the shadow for the words. I'm going to go ahead and adhere that word thanks onto the vellum shadow layer. So I cut the vellum die, or the shadow die from vellum, and that's just going to add just a really, really pretty backdrop for our sentiment. I'll go ahead and add some glue onto the back of the vellum right behind the letters so that the glue doesn't show, and I'll go ahead and adhere that onto my card front. All of the products that I've used, friends, are linked up in the description box below. And I really enjoyed this. I hope you did too. I hope you were inspired to use your gorgeous LDRS products, including your Squirrel and Vine glass board, which I love working on. It's amazing. Have an amazing day, friends. Take care, and I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.